This is how to play Let Your Living Water Flow on my soul. Yeah, let your living water flow. So I'll use F sharp, G sharp, and C sharp. Okay, so don't forget to subscribe. I will first play it and break it down later. So So this is how our song goes. So before wasting of time, I will first break it down in G sharp, okay, which is also A flat. So it starts right here. You can do something like, it's like, I don't know the lyrics well, ne? Na 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 flow up my soul. It's like that. Okay. Okay, like okay. Sorry. So yeah, then Jesus, what, okay. So yeah, it starts right here. 1, sorry, like you can do something like 6, 7, 1. Okay, you press the chord. Okay, living waters flow. Come to 5. Flow 1, 5. Then you close it. 1, eh? Then you go to that part. You can do something like 3, 4. Then you go to 3, 2, then 1. Okay. Then you go to 6. Then 5. Then you go to 1. Then you come to 3. Then 2. You come to 6 again. Then you go again. You start again. Ta, 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 da, oh. Then you come to that part, okay? G Jesus. Okay, it's like 3, 4, 3, then 2, then 1, 2, 5, then 1. Okay, it's like 3, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 5, then 1. Okay, so yeah, this is how it goes. So hey, this song is long, guys, so let's go to F sharp. Okay, so in F sharp it starts right here. I hope you saw it. Let your living waters flow up my soul. Da 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 da. Do 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 do. Then you come again. So I won't waste time on this one. If you didn't understand, go and check again and again. Okay, so then that part, Jesus. Okay, Jesus. 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 Okay, again for the last time. Jesus. 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 So yeah, let's go to C sharp. Okay, in C sharp it starts right here. Sorry. Living waters flow up my soul. It's like okay, same thing. Okay, I hope you saw even the left hand. Okay, it's like the living waters come and take control. La, 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 all the trust and burden flow up my soul. Then that part, Jesus. It's like Jesus. 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 So let me repeat it for the last time. Jesus. Jesus is C sharp, okay? Jesus, Jesus, Jesus. So yeah, this is how it goes. Thank you.